Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Mr. V the Architect. Today we are looking at how to create a lighting shadow into your lighting streets. Open your image, create a new layer, make it overlay, then go to selection, rectangle selection. From here, okay, let's make it like this. After that, go to gradient tool, select it, okay. This one is deleted. If you have it like this, press on it and delete it and select this point and make the opacity 0%. Then press OK. Select a line from here to here to make it a straight. Press Shift. Then press Ctrl D. Go here. Press Ctrl T. Right click. Make it perspective. Select this point with Shift and press OK. After that, go to Filter, go to Blur, Gaussian Blur, and make it 15. Then press OK. After that, here is your image. Turn it off and turn it on.